wa matuku 18 mwezi wa gatano nye nitawamasi wa kitaka uloku nengelilia movu kwa nse ya meko ni Teresia Mwende chambao kwa ata amwe kati wa movu alatu kumbanesie indi kwa ukube
alatu kumbanesie ni pamwe na
Seima skulu wa St. Louis mathima ulawe mutha kauntini ya Kitui mavinga skulu su na kubeta manigwa mo mailalamika utongo imuthuku wa skulu na wandi ya Kenya kukosia mikomo sektani kivathukanio yu serikali niendeka ike mitaratala miseo kuminavyo mikomo vandi ya Kenya. Serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kutulwa mutini enendi kumana na kioko kingi kilaki masokoni matungulu na kadhiani enendi mayaseme muisioni wa kukwatwa ni mwou. Na chama cha ODM kunenganiliwa utethio na sindu ingi siavata kutethia enendi alame ya kumilitwe ni muiso wa mbua na kwa asia misio.
Wilingi wa maovo
Ni na udho changi. Seima skulu wa kivulanio wa St. Louis mathima ulawe wadine ya modha. Mathima ni mavinga skulu usu kwa kavinda katesikia na kuveta maniwa alame vikite skulu ni usu kwa mvungo wa tamu wa keli mailiana na utongo yuwa mwalimu munene ya siya su mosa itambia liu itinawa kutuwa iseme atianio ya mugo kuma sokoni wa mathima muvaka mbingiloni siya skulu usu kwa kila meweta kiyocho cha kwenda mwalimu usu avetwe kithitwe kite kuidhukiwa ni mivea kivadhukanio ila methitwe maivikiani kana kwenda kuveta mwalimu kumana na mausungi wa matema seo na amaniwa vamwe na namba ya amaniwa skulu nusu kwithiwa itheete kwa kiwango kinene mayueta kana meto iseme atianio kila muthenya muvaka wa muvea wa kisomo uvete mwalimu munene wa skulu olivoti yake Onesmus Stalo.
Asema skulu wa kivulanyo wa St. Louis mathima ulawi wodine ya motha kitui cha ithio ni mavinga skulu usu na kuveta manyua moku maskulu ni usu mailiana na utongo wa mwalimu munene. Asia matu esemete ne moku masokoni wa mathima muvaka mbingiloni sia skulu usu ana maweta kana mwalimu munene wa skulu oku mawasilelo utongo wa skulu vai mosunge o masio maisa ukusiwa.
Siana sika nesa kila chende abantu kuwa siana situ Ramadima musango ndei wana siai guru kwiba visi wo miwana ndakwatiana na limu na ndakwatiana na stakeholders ilinge kila kiseo ije musango uteka maongwazu nundu wa maundwa niwitha enza wa skulu ibinda inge huyo jamaa anaitwa principal. I don't know whether he's a principal. Anastahili kuondoka na aje shule yetu. This is our school. Hakuna kusumbua watoto wetu. Na imetosha watoto wetu kusumbuliwa.
Na yuma zetambia itina wakwenda muvea wa kisoma vete mwalimu usu kumaskuluni na kiyocho cha kavinda kithi toke kebu kiswa ni mevea ya kisomo.
Amebana sima madima. Ni matoye kiyocho kwa CSO ni asungiwa matwa kiyocho kwa education officer ni asungiwa matwa kiyocho kwa TSC tiasungiwa twatwa ngina county level tiasungiwa tatwa katika regional level tiasungiwa umunzi toka pa tijaze muzangwe kata
ngene maweta kana ndeni wa skulu na mbanene ya manywa yende na kuthea kwa kiwango kinene wana matelemia kutwa isemia atendio kila muthenya muvaka mone mwalimu munene ebetanga ndeni wa skulu no kana matunge amanyua mo
musango achuka ba 2015 ethi skulu ina student 480 umunzi madropit makoka 216 lewa kana diwa kitu nene chawa sei twaje muzangwe kata Ije tiba titokia mundu edwenu titetera gitao tina dina na mudhukumi tina dina mwalimu yoyote ambaye wiba dina witunu musango ibinda academic day nda pia ni wakati diwa ni dizi wana jero meeting yaba Ndio na ndo meeting dede awa tiamba kwikala na mundu ambu thembo zuba
asiyame konanya mwalimu nene kwa kulea kuvika skulu kwa kile vinda na kwethia matena ngwata na yanzo kati wa mwana mwalimu osuba la maweta toithetwo ate kumethukisya
lile vinda la mwalimu no je skulu ino foba manzi skulu ino ni ithitwo indi muno na nene kule ngwenda kukulia tima skulu ino ati wozu skulu ni tio bingwa wa ni mwetie tiana skulu Mulaila kwa nondo ajao
yobo meweta kana skulu uno la wina manywa ma 8 na anake onde me kwa mandeni wa skulu vethet na mathina ila mwa kwa stima wa mina kwa manywa asu melasmika kwikala kibindu ni mavula nete kumana kukosekana kwa mauta ma generator la maweta kana keko cha mwaka mudhalu amanywa mayeka mutiani kwikala kibindu ni mavula nete ni kwetie sie kombathe
sianila inechie mwaka weyo ibinda ya mutiani kwekwa ni kwethiwe ni tilabu ya stima na ila kwethiwe tilabu ya stima skulu yitu i generator skulu yitu i solars siani zizi aka ni siwa mwaki na siani zizi tubani bulanite ni woga na diwa siani zizi to ila tezi kukwata habari karubu kai wako wiwaba karubu kai waba amukola piu tenda baba manziru ya skulu tenda manziru ya cho ya skulu skulu ni tukwaka ya skulu ni yitu kusiaizya na timumizye muno nekale nake miaka mingi muno nuru balekele siana skulu kwa mbele ya mbele kwa performance itene muno wanato ule mwalimu la waipo msango alika Masigo
Tilivota Vlingwa Movo Mutongo TV kuma kauntini ya Kitui ni Onesmus Chalo.
Tusonga nambe kavindani kandi ya Kenya yende ukosi ya mikomo ya thukumi kivathukani wa masilikali wivo ulauna thelile chumwani kivetuku wa matakitali manes na wao yu metoki wa alimu ma junior secondary silikali niendeka kuikia mitalatala ila ya ilete kuminavyu maundo ma mikomo vandi ya Kenya nikana kuikidhisya mwene ndi uthukumi mwailu na mwithianu otena maweku amwema enende kauntini ya Makueni mainena na Kamemeka ni mawetaka na uthukumi kwa mwenendi withitwo witambaika kila evinda mikomo ta iya twaigwa maiwetake chailete kwoswa na uito na kuthinikiwa kwa mituki balama kulia kanisa yithi weyikoniwa kumanda wiwa na wakati wa silikali na athukumi mayo kila evinda vethiwa na mathina nilivoti yake Ken Mulinge.
Enenthia mainena ni mendekithe mutalatala kwikiwa kwa thukumi ma silikali nthini wa kila job group kuongelewa mesale tina wa ivinda ina nekana kuandanya na mawali kuma ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya na wengi kuandanya na kwambata kwa ngalama mikalile
no beko metalatala ugezokwetha ketha mundu wa job group ino kana ni alimu kana na asikali kana ni madakitali kana na musala wono wiweze kwetha after this duration mundu akaongelewa musala kana musala wono wendete tokala uno tetindio
Afrika ni maometi andu aingi bithia na kukwata huduma ya mbe kwa mundu la wathirikite ni owau na tuizingatia maundu ama mafuriko ala mebo withia bena thina ni Kenya yonthe ti Makueni kwa unyi ni kwa serikali ishughulikila maundu ama mikomo ya thukumi ma serikali imwe kwa imwe watakaswe kwa thina no sio kuthiinikia misala ya thukumi ma serikali
uvathukuni na serikali endeka kwithwethia nise mawiwano ma kuongela misala la ithitwo yikia na thukumi ma sekta cia kivathukanyo kana CBA enenthia maiweta wote wo kwithwa wi mwiso wa mikomo ya thukumi ma serikali na wengi kwikithia mwene nthi ula wiva koti no wakwata thukumi ula wailite
CBA ila sikite ne serikali yo lo thukumi ma serikali isi thiite bena bandu bekwonekana bena kulegea kwikiwa mukazo wonu wakwa ni kwasia undu wikwe once and for all commission ya Sara Seremu ya nengwa wia kanetha nya nengiwe wia nya ilite kwetha ya timizie kila chonde cha ilite kwikika nikendeza kwethia maundu ama misala ya thukumi ma serikali ni mashughuli kwa once and for all
kuvikia uyo alimu ma GSS na mama manasi nthini wa kaunti muno mama toisimeko maenda maondekethio mome wike na maisungi wane serikali mukomo loko getina wala matakitala mana komete kwa miele na kwikia mathayu na wimwame ya enenthi misioni minene
yu alimu malikawo yuko uzana za sokole skulu jana hivyo soma obi zaiba wa mana akana kaya moya ke skulu obi zindu makweba ndo oleka lakini uweze kwethia nao iri end resort ya kana ke ba skulu kada kai soma dwa ida ile nai uweze kwithia maisha maitu ni mathirika uti makulika na mamuke uweze kwithia at least ni mama na kana tinandite le kusovea atinandite kwatitie atinandi isikiwe onati katika Afrika duniani kana Kenya is a very aggressive country.
Mutongoi TV kuma kaunti ya Makueni, nyenita wa Ken Mulinge.
Zama ya magavana niambie unena ni wangu atanio ya maofisa mauiti kana Kenya Union of Clinical Officers ni kana kumina mukomo ulama ende siendeni wa umbanoloto iwe musini wa ilovi maofisa mauiti menda silikali ya nisi uigwano wa mwaka wangili ile miongo ile na umwe ulame dhitwe kana madhitwe kana makanenga weki mansas lingi ingili 15 yuluwa musala wo cha kumatedhe siana meisio ilama komanana yo ilame wea nilivoti ya ketari Chambo.
Nzama ya magavana va Kenya COG ni ambisio nene ngwatani ya kutitama vatama mauvisa makwanisi ya wima wa kana Kenya Union of Clinical Officers kuko kilelo ni cha kuminangusa ni sila sithi tovono kana kumina mukomola medhi tue matoisi kwa ilungu ya mwai umwe.
Negotiations today and the end by today. So this is a process that will be a give and take, where we give, where you take, where you give, we take. But at the end of it all, let us be guided by what Wazungu said, the end justifies the means.
Dene wake kalokila cha umia kone ovisi wanza maisi ya magavana kisioni cha Westlands kwa museno ilove maovisa makwanisi ya uima wamwe mendekete muvango wa mautio masilingi ngili 15 kila mwe kwaniswa.
Your Excellencies, in Roiro Sub-County hospitals we speak now, there is a BSc clinical officer who is employed there and is earning 18,000 per month. There is another one in the same county earning 35,000. There is another one under UHC earning 50,000. There is another one in full pay. And in Kajiado County, my treasurer for the county contracted a multi-drug resistant TB at work. He had to be admitted in Nairobi Women's Hospital. And we had to contribute because Kajiado County does not have a comprehensive cover to cover him. So these are the pain points and these are the burdens we carry on our shoulders. That is why sometimes when you see us, sometimes we really get angry because we feel that you are not feeling, our pain. And yet our people are really suffering down there.
Ona uyovo mwene kivila maundone mawima wa mwenza manesu na ola inginwe governor county ni Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Nchuki ni wawe takana mavacha onde moko ne ilovia mailite kunena niso ni serikali ya kati.
Of course we are cognizant to the fact that health is devolved. However, we still have remnants of issues that are operated or they are implemented from the national government. We are two different governments that have same responsibility. And therefore, in our discussion today, just to assist my chair for labor, let us isolate the issues that have to do with the county government, the COG. Don't take us to the route where we have to handle issues that the CS Health and the ministry should be handling.
Mwene kivila ngwatanio nisu ya Kyuko Peterson Washira ni wawe takana ngwatanio isu inawende wa kutoa isi unena niana serikali na kumanda usungi wa kuminadhina ula wivo.
Governor Muthomi, the CBA is on the table because we have been negotiating. We have negotiated 80%. What is remaining is about 80%. It's not actually something that can even take us more than 2 weeks if we are to sit and negotiate and with goodwill. And also reiterate that ourselves as the union, we have a lot of goodwill.
Collective bargaining agreement is not on the table because it does not exist. Recognition agreement is there. We recognize you, and that's why we are seated here. And we hope that now we can be able to set the parameters or which path do we have to walk through.
Vilinge wa mauvo ne tawa Charity Chambo.
Makulio manene ni maendelee kumila uthukumi wa serikali ya kaunti ya Masako ngaliko ya kuthesia masoko na muno kuya matungulu na kangundo enende aingi alame kala masoko ni yume mwisioni wa kukwatwa ni thina wa mawou ni kwithiwa kiko kingi kiendeye unyaika na kuvulana na kiwio chambua kila kivingite mitao kauta sokoni wa atala matula mote serikali ya kaunti ya Masako kwa kulela ndini wa kuthesia masoko tondu uboni motesi au kutuelezea.
Enendeya malezekana ikoila ende nonyaika kundu kwathukanyo thivulanithi na kiwu kila kikwamite mitauni kikiko gikutuma maendeya na unini wanimo wala matonya umekumbila kumane ikoila imawithululukoni mo ateo vaimatambia mona makuthesia soko yoguonthe na kuthea guo kundu nusu na kula kungi kuitiwa neko
pa mitau ino thineko yingi kuma kwaua tiyumia weko tiyikawata atuilika kuyuvika kuya iko yiumu na kiwanzani yukite itheetyo mbe mita undi bukwawa thila bukuwe binda mutwa kuma wabinalika weyani tiyaona mitau no ibukwa na andu akanzu mausie ku ya woni kuthinia andu kulika ku na ku kukwata ibetita nuni twendo twa silingile no me ututhinia lakini uthe kuye tithese yungamiwa ataku administrator abatu ona tithese no
ivinda ya mbua metheo thinani munene tina wa mitau kuvinga na kuendea na ukueko ila inyakite kundu kiothukanyo itonyelelwe nyumbani sio na ingi ciana sio kuendea na ukwatanga kana kukinyanga na kumekia thinani
nikalaba atwina ciana nila mbua yaua kiko kikua wokeza ithila ona bamba stikomania acio kuo muomoni kwa uno tukuli kanzu iko tupetarangia kiko kikwa kwithwa twina ciana na nisio waya bakolela
tithese tisaona kama yuka matonete na miti maumitie tumathangu tiona uthukumio laiva kwa utre kulia kanzu ya Tala sub county matuthesie mitau neko jila jibo tuyumiwe nundu mwishowe bati thato na outbreak ya kolela
na saidi yo pande wito twithirwe twitavya andu makanzu moke matuvetangie kiko kimu cheneva lakini mayosa atuone muni kwithwa twimbwa tuyelewa membwa makwe mayenda ata nundu nitwamatavisie twimbwa tupene ko yingi na ndatika kivinda kwa kavindo na ila twamea moke triona mayosa atwa na ila twetisie tangi ema twete ni mokie maete lakini mathili chakuya nthini muno wethia tritonolika kunundu bembwa bena kiwu nandu nundu nimenda itakiko mayito bao kwa ithe tukula cia kemba itonote theua kiko gitu betangiwe ba ni kwithwa tiona ciana ni thaukiao ba na mawagi matona umana naku kwa witwa mukulia kwa ndai akethwa ni tonote theua tubetangiwe tangi yetangwe baba kubi na yibetanga wa kiko ni twakulia kwa ndai amutono twiko
ingi mawitakana maviva maingi makikola mayietwa kundu kwathukanyo maivetawa na maende na kuswania na ila nende mekia kiko maviva ne kuendea na itikanthi na kunyaika na kikuendea na uvingi sana na nende ingi mevola mekuna mundu maki utandithia na meuke mithuku kuendea na ulika nyumbani sio vamwe na kiuki
na mausie makamea miti maikuawa na mwenda umanai mausie makamea miti likaiva na muithia silanga limwe yiva silanga yingi yiva kwela kwa mutheu na yingi zivau kwela vau kiwanzani onde mausie kwethei maila ukuwa tisi malea ukuwa ichao na mabuti tala imaingi neko yingi tala ya ikio ututwa ndikawata tene tona ivinda mutwa pa skoti ya ututa itapo wangu na matuka mayunya mnita uswi ithe apyo isa ithe abaibandu peiko
liwatala pa Broadway na twina thina munene nundu wasicia ira bati nakwa kiko kina miaka mingi muno na kina matuko kumela mbua ya uyo netangirie ni muthene ne usuiye za meambemba na mabuti ya maibetawa na baabe na ciana nini na ito no kwarwa nu wau na kanzu nengire twa manengie wea ni mailo bitu betangia kikoki meungua kanza la witu ni twa musakuiye nigenda tusobe
kaundini ya Masako nyeni Toboni Mutesia.
Tuisonga na mbele na cho chama cha ODM ni kiumia ukulio kwa enende vamwe na serikali na makundi make mbene matethesi enende alama kunikite kumana na mbua mbingi chama kini chane nganeli wa utethi otamba maleu sindo ingesi ya kutumia avalana ke mwandiki munene wa movea wa Red Cross na ulani ndakitali Hamed Idris waweta kana mbua ila inauye ina ukuno munene kwa enende ya inge iseso hii tongo uweni atongo yukuma chamani ki Evo Wycliffe Oparanya na Ali Hassan Joho Livoti yake Lina Musangi.
Wa Kenya ingekwithia manati matena mawekala kumana na kiuchambua mbingi wenda floods ukulo ni umwe kuyandu mangoya ula ukunga manala manati matena mawekala na vala mwandiki munene wa ikundi ya Kenya Red Cross Ahmed Idris ukulisi ando ama ngoya ula umavikie kutethesi alama na akitikiwe ni mbanga isa kiwu na leo ndo mana sendo ingesi utumia.
We still have quite a number of families in displacement camps, and these are families who are in need of your support, in need of urgent medication, in need of food, in need of other forms of support, including shelter. We've also had a discussion with the ODM leadership around what other mechanisms we can use to support early recovery and permanent recovery, especially in form of shelter to the affected population. At the end of the day, we hope that we are going to plug this into the national response mechanism so that we avoid duplication, and then we also use the advantages of being able to distribute food and reach the affected population in a very coordinated manner.
Onene ya chungwa hausiti na waseso ya maloli alama ikuita maleu ndo mwana sindo inge mvingu ya wakutoa sindo iku ya Kenya Idris nuwetie kundi ita yotho kuma kuvene na timu ya kusiana na mbanga ya ODM Disaster Response Appeal. Itongoiso ni seneta wa Migori Eddie Oketch Nokenda kuiki idhakanamisi ni ya tetheka.
As the Kenya Red Cross, an impartial and neutral humanitarian organization, will be working with everyone who is on board, who is willing to help in reaching out to the affected population wherever they may be. We've had an excellent discussion with the ODM party in terms of what strategies to use to reach the most affected people, and we will work together to provide and deliver an impartial and neutral services to all affected population.
Nchadhi kila kitongo isone monini wa mwene chama cha ODM Wycliffe Oparanya. Amba na Ali Hassan Joho na vala Joho uwetie chama cha ODM taki kuende ya na kungamana enenzi alama na akitikiwa ni mbanga iya Kivu Kingi. Odhude ngwachani wakati wa enenzi na kenda kutethea nisia.
Sisi kama chama cha ODM, kitu ambayo imetuleta hapa leo ni kurespond to the needs of the people today. Majanga ambayo wameshika leo na ambayo yanaendelea kushika. Watu wengi wana matarajio kwamba wakija hapa katika ofisi ya chungwa basi ni mazungumzo ya siasa tu. Utakuta kwamba misimamo yetu hata kama yanapelekwa na siasa, sisi kwa muda mrefu tuko na mpango kabambe ambao unachunga dignity ya mwananchi katika taifa letu.
Galikone yake Oparanya nuwetie kana sindo ini siku idhia sekuwa anu kwa uyana nuku imisiyonzele na kitikiwe ni mbanga kila vandu nzionze.
We have not come here for politics, as said before by my colleagues. We are here to help everybody that is affected. When we go to Mathare, we will not be looking at this is an ODM supporter, this is an ODM supporter. We are going to help people who are affected as much as we can in our own capabilities.
Ake mwandiki munene chama cha ODM Edin Sifuna nuwetie kana miomo ya maofisi manene machama kiita mavingwe na vala ula wonze ukwenda kueta utethi wake tawaile kuika vinda yonze.
Right now the main concern is shelter for the people who have been affected and moved away from the riparian areas. And as a leadership in Nairobi, we want even the continued clearing of those riparian areas to take a humane face. I don't think that any person would willingly put themselves in the way of danger.
Kuripoti ya vlingi wa mauvo Nilina Musangi.
Nandi musese livoti yesu yake Lina Musangi tutuandini wa odiomo witu wa metu isi wakethea tuina mauvuangi ndo kadivasa.
Mutongoi TV na Mutongoi FM nisio isese cia utangasi ila itongwetie ukamba na ningi wona nzo umuteni ulu manyaya kitakulesyo apo nuwe ututwikithitie namba imwe ukamba twiasia ni mubea shabik nekenda chambe uchambite twende kwitha namba imwe ukamba tukune kula kwa Kuza ICT Awards unyube Mutongoi TV takisese cha mabisa kila wipata nacho na Mutongoi FM ta radio ila wipata nayo utumane mukube uandikite Kuza kwa imwe 5 noti imwe kana ulike kwa www.kuzaawards.co.ke. Mutongoi TV na Mutongoi FM ngwatanio ya mukamba.
Dial *811*290# to get Psalms 29 verse 11 as your skiza tune.
Psalms chapter 29 verse 11. The Lord gives strength to his people, and the Lord blesses his people with peace. Amen.
Dial *811*290# to get Psalms 29 verse 11 as your skiza tune.
Ailia une wa mwana waku na Hippo Junior account. Pingwa Hippo Junior account umunde ubongene witu ulawipa kupe naku weyone mbesa ila waiya iyongeleka kwa metuke. Tane ya useo wa uongele kuwa kilungu chaku ya na naundu waiya mbesa yani interest rate opamwena muthenya waku tana kana fande kumia kana withdraw mbesa ute utilwa kendo na inge mbinge. Dhoke obonge witu ulawipa kupe naku kana utukunie simu kwisila noti muonza ile nyanya muonza nyanya muonza kenda muonza ile kwa ubombe yange.
Kalibu ingi nthini wa vilingi wa mauvo Musume William Ruto kiokoni cha umundi ni watongwesi ya iseso ya kuidhu ya kithito kwa asili euma kwa ni miongo iliva mwena angi kauta alama ya kuthiwa maithuko makotini munene nthini wa chathikila chatwa igwa mawikaloni ma Musume musini wa Ilovi. Ruto ainena ni waweta kana nthi ya Kenya ni aliukite kwisila koti kwa kuikithia kana muguo ni weaniwa wa mwene nthi vamwena akisia ene nthi kunewa ndaiani wa kulia koti utethaisye kukutana na ulusani.
Helen Rafaela Namisi.
Hi, Alexander Mwasya Muteti. By unifying regulations and promoting participatory governance, we aim to increase accountability and transparency across all arms of government. Ultimately, we will be judged not by how well we serve the strong and influential, but how well we support and protect the weak, the poor, and the vulnerable. Let us strive to appreciate and support each other's work without compromising constitutional principles. Ultimately, our collective legacy will not be evaluated by how stubborn, combative, or disagreeable we were, but by our contribution to improving the lives of our people and advancing our nation towards prosperity. We are, as we all know, a proudly democratic nation where the people make the final call and elect their leaders as anchored in the rule of law and constitutionalism. As a nation, we subscribe to the principles of checks and balances as established by our Constitution. I encourage you to commit yourselves to serving the people with integrity and professionalism and to reject corruption in all its manifestations. Without integrity, the credibility of our judiciary, or indeed any other institution, as well as public institutions, is severely questioned. Corruption, even the slightest hint of it, irreversibly compromises the authority and effectiveness of our courts and all our institutions.
Serikali kwa Islamu vya wa usese ine avo kiangali si mwana ikumisia kutethesia kwa ile maundu ma usese ivandi ya Kenya aina nandini wa poti ya Mombasa kavindane kalawa avo kiangali hii minista muveani wa usese ivandini Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni waweta kanangali hii sindini wa muvango wa serikali wa kilungu cha miaka 5 na olao utumia kimanzita shilingi bilioni 301 kukitana na siko sia umama ina uvungulu wa muguona ungeiwa indo isioni kivadhukanyo sia ndi ya Kenya. Tukatene na Angelina Mose.
Minista usese iwandhini Profesa Kithure Kindiki nene ndhini wa poti ya Mombasa kavindane kala wavo kiangali isi mwanya si akauni wawetekana serikali yena muvango wa kutumia shilingi bilioni 301 kwa kilungu cha miaka 5 kudhoa miyo ya akau na ila nenzia imwe ya kwa ile usese inakukitana na siko siya kiumama.
Some of the areas where our frontline officers are working are difficult terrain areas which cannot be accessed using the ordinary vehicle equipment that we have. And therefore last year the government began a 5-year police equipment modernization program which in total will cost us 37 billion shillings in 5 years.
Kindiki na ule atianite na ungamima usese ile mbetani ya Kiswani na watakana serikali kufikia yuyu netumete shilingi bilioni 1 kati wa bilioni isu 301 serikali ivanite kutumia.
The first 7 billion shillings have been spent and a few months ago we were able to commission quite a number of equipments, about 10 APCs. And today we are also receiving another 10 of a higher capacity version of the APCs. We have also received under, in the last 1 year, other forms of equipment other than the motor vehicles, including arms and ammunitions. And also we are working on to also receive a little more of personal protective equipment as well as aerial vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles commonly known as drones.
Ngali hii ni siutoa walamu Baringo na isione ila enethi na maofisa ma polisi maithi to mainya maswa ni imamai vala wamenda maofisa ma usese kuyova kavio kule kukitana na imamai ovama na inyisia indo isione kivadhukanio.
They have the equipment and the facilities to be able to neutralize the threats that confront our country. Therefore, I'm a very happy person this afternoon to witness the receipt of the second cohort of our scheduled equipment receipts that we've been expecting. This is the second lot. In a few months' time, we will also have another receipt, and it will go on like that, like that, like that, until every space, every inch of Kenya is safe, is secure, and until we run criminals out of our territory.
Gilivotea vilingi wa Mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Na chuo kikundi cha andiki mama uvo kauntini ya Makueni Mujo ni chambi ya kampeni zao ya uvandi wa miti ila ivatisi tuta one shop two trees greening initiative ila kanadina kielelo kinene cha kuongela utalo wa miti vandi ya Kenya na kukitana waliokuwa nzeve dini wa kampeni ino watandithia medhudhua kuvanda miti ili za waandukasio na kumesovea nikana kwa ile mawidhi luluko ilivoti ya Kekale Bchala.
Nisokoni wa Bosnia kilione mbunge cha Makueni na valangu ataniono ya andiki mama uvo ya uvulana na tandithia na ene ndindini weseso ya kuvanda miti. Utongo wangu ataniono ungu wa Michael Mutinda uleni umane kivila wangu ataniono ya andiki mama uvo ma Makueni kana Makueni Union of Journalists ni wa wetakana nukuende ya mvango huu ndini wa masoko wa langi.
Monde we muthenya munene nondu ni twambisia our biggest dream ya kuvanda miti masoko ni makaunti ya Makueni na mvango usu tuweta one shop two trees greening initiative na tuambia sia sokoni wa Bosnia wa Musima hotel webanga sia ndo ala menduka yoski mekawa tu hoteli tubanda to tamukuka metau ko bonde kwa umbe wa nduka yaku kabanda mitele nondu twina mwikio kana no sove mitele twasi atwa ya project yitu ni kudangasi andu ala mena nduka wabanda mitele bau kwa ukametikia cia kiu kila muthenya na mitesu ikanene ba mitesu ya nene ba masokoni maitu medha mema green mathiulu ko sokoni usime osova anzeve the inzeo wetha na munyo tona kwikala ndila suevyo kwa uchuni choke ndokela to thangasa na twambia Bosnia umundi.
Michael Mutindo tuno wakulya enendi na muno atandithia kuendelea na kuvanda miti na kukwata mbau muvango no vatisi tota one shop to trees greening initiative akiweta kana kikitethecia muno kwa ilya mawithiluko matandithia na kutethecia vanini kukitana na walioku wanzeve
kesi yake ndano kuwa kitu kweka tandikiwa mobo twikweka nundu twina miti mingi yo banda kana tunacho tweka nundu twendea kaunti ya Makueni usio twendea Kenya usio nundu climate change maija tukamipendwa twabanda miti na no yose lela isiku banda miti na tukatungia module kwa maitu kwa utubanda miti oil onagu paumusi kwa banda miti kila mdu awasi miti ni ongo banda ndi bandenge mdu aneno no imi nidi ayenele mwana module kwa maitu mabenduka maitu majana numaso
tunge anduma mingi amuria nondo wa kwisilia na kwetha na hizi dia cia kuka kwega maitu bandia miti miti ni kindu kimana muno kibu na nengi tio bawe boka Bosnia na kini bado kana bandi na nime kundu muko ene na cia ni mwega na thano ne to banda miti na miti siu ibinda yokete ne yo tunenga mui itunenga o si bindi cia ile ga simana na miti.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongoi TV, Thilingi wa Mauvo.
Nake munene wa maminista vandi ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi ni waweta kanandhi ya Kenya yende nesa ki ukwati ya inene musini wa Ilovi. Mudavadi ni waweta kana ukwati wa ndi ya Kenya nukwa ilua kwesilamu talatala wa silikali wa bottom up vala waweta kana ndi ya Kenya ye mustali ni ulawa ilite ki ukwati na enendi medhi wana muikio kana silikali ni kwedhi wa iya ilia maundo.
Thank you.
Promote business, promote people, interactions, guide us on the priorities of the countries that you shall be positioned in, so that we can have better engagement with them. I'm sure as you take up you will find out what are the MOUs between us and the nation that you are based in, and then figure out whether we have been implementing and effecting those MOUs or not. And if not, it's an opportunity for you to advise us either to revise them or to shift and start talking in a different direction, so that we make the whole issue of the space around foreign policy extremely different, more vibrant, and very, very effective. Open those new doors, those new opportunities for the Kenyan people. Let us really, really change how we do business. As I said, there may never be exactly what you call the written script, but there are some cardinal principles that we know we must follow, but in between we must look at the emerging issues.
Na ndi usuni huo muthia wa vilingi wa movo kumangaliko ni situ tukende withi wana kiyo cha kwa ilanye ni tawa masikitaka ulaone ngelile movo kwa nse ya meko ni Teresia Mwende.